Hiya and welcome to Keeper's Creative Flow. I'm going to try to prune this Japanese Maple Acer. So this is the before. It's actually just going too much on one side. And I'll show you the after once I've done a bit. See you in a mo. Hello and welcome to Keeper's Creative Flow. Today I'm going to try to prune this Japanese maple, or it's called a Japanese Acer. So what I was thinking is starting from, so these are coming out of this main trunk, so well, let's try to, and what I might do is actually just pop them in some water, see if they root. Why not? I'm just going in with some secateurs. Excuse me. Could do with sharpening these. It's okay. Let me get on this side. This raspberry bush is going. Yeah, I'll have to do something about this raspberry bush. Let me just gather these up to the side. And then there's some dead bits as well, which we might remove. So let's just come back up here. So that was that. This has come out a different colour as well, which is quite interesting. It's completely different to that. They do change colour all year round, but yeah, that was quite... Just thought that was quite different. So here, all I'm going to do is start just taking off the dead bits, which I could actually just snap them with my hand. And up here, this is a bit where they've not, or it might have been last year's growth, so I'm just going to go above the green bit here and just come to an angle. Oh, sorry about that. It's a bit awkward to... Okay, that's hard. Try to use my brute strength. That's it. So that bit's... Let's come off. Lovely. So let's put that in the pile to put in the green waste. I think that one's fine. This is another dead one. Just go slightly above the branch, leaving a small. Brilliant. Ooh, can't get it round. There we go. There's another one here. Just go a bit lower. That's it. Great. Sure, there's one over there as well. Oh, and this one seems to not. Okay, I'm back. So I've just finished pruning this Acer, and this is what it's looking like after the pruning. So yeah, I got quite a bit off, as you can see in that bucket. Yeah, so see you soon. Take care. Bye.